And this road is as... Look at that! Look at that! Look at that shit, man! Look at that! It's dangerous, bro. Just been doing that a lot, fucking clutch shifting second gear. Clutch shift second gear, and it's like it pops and won't go. It pops third and then drops back down to second. I think it's because I'm not hitting it up the gear properly. I don't know. What? No? No, I think he hit me. Yeah. Pull over, I'll get your details. Drag race to 60. Drag race to 60. He would do it. Fucking hell, almost fucking popped a fucking clutch up wheelie. I had to fucking throw it back down. Fuck me. That's a bit tight. Just inch my way in through there. I knew that was a bit tight. I forgot to pull the mirrors in. I think I can dare say I've only ever clipped someone's mirrors once, and that was with my elbow. Because I stick my elbows out a little bit further, because I'd much rather clip someone's car with my elbow than clip it with the bike. Oh, that's actually come loose. It's actually come... Nah. No, I haven't. That's actually come loose. Fuck.
That's what I was saying.
So even if you folded it in, it wasn't going to make a fucking difference, was it?
No.
Gotta love that second gear. Gotta commit to the gear change. I actually didn't even commit to that. I'm like, oh yeah, oh shit, yeah, I should actually go up again. Oh, almost lost the front, man. Fuck, that was close. I knew there was oil on that corner because I saw it coming in, so I just trailed the back brake. It popping out of gear was my own error then. I actually didn't hit it hard enough. That's what happens when you're lazy. I actually just like tapped it with the corner of my boot, just like, oh yeah, coming due for a shift, and just like plink.